15 must-have motorcycle gadgets on Amazon for 2026. These are legitimate products that solve real problems on the road. Some of these will save you money on tickets. I spent weeks researching what actually works, reading hundreds of reviews, and watching real riders test these products. Let's get into it. Number 15. The Chatterbox XBI2-H Bluetooth headset. This Bluetooth system mounts inside any helmet, giving you hands-free everything. Music streaming directly from your phone. GPS directions spoken right into your ears. Phone calls without pulling over. The Intercom feature connects to other riders up to half a mile away. The battery lasts 14 hours of active use. The controls mount on handlebars so you never touch your phone. The noise cancellation works even at highway speeds. The sound quality is surprisingly good with actual bass response. Installation takes 10 minutes with the included adhesive mounts. The difference between fumbling with your phone at red lights versus voice commands is massive. Navigation becomes effortless. Group rides become coordinated. This headset proves you don't need expensive premium systems to get great features. Number 14. The Innovv K5 Dual Dash Cam. This motorcycle-specific dash cam records front and rear simultaneously in 1080p, capturing everything that happens around you. The loop recording overwrites old footage automatically. The parking mode monitors your bike when you're away, detecting motion and impacts. The night vision works impressively well in low light. The weatherproof design handles rain and road spray. The GPS tracking logs your routes and speed. The G sensor locks footage when detecting hard braking or impacts. The cloud connectivity backs up critical footage remotely. Insurance companies love video evidence. Cops can't argue with footage. This camera protects you legally and financially by documenting everything on every ride. Number 13. The Oxford Heated Grips Premium. These heated grips transform cold weather riding from miserable to comfortable. The variable heat settings range from warm to toasty hot. The installation is straightforward with basic wiring knowledge. The rubber compound provides excellent grip wet or dry. The power draw is minimal, not affecting your electrical system. The heat distribution is even across the entire grip. The switch mounts cleanly on handlebars. Cold hands lose dexterity, making riding dangerous. These grips maintain full hand function in temperatures that would normally end your ride. The riding season extension alone justifies the cost. Number 12. The Kriega US20 Tail Pack. This waterproof tail bag mounts without racks using ingenious strap system. The 20-liter capacity holds weekend gear easily. The completely waterproof construction protects contents in downpours. The quad lock harness distributes weight evenly. The adjustable straps fit almost any bike. The roll top closure is genuinely waterproof, not just water resistant. The D-rings allow adding more Kriega bags modularly. The reflective detailing improves visibility. The mounting system means no permanent rack installation. The versatility allows switching between bikes instantly. This bag proves you don't need hard luggage for serious touring. The weatherproofing is no joke. Submerge this thing and contents stay dry. Number 11. The Kryptonite New York Chain Lock. This beast of a lock provides serious theft deterrent for urban parking. The 14mm hardened steel links resist bolt cutters. The disc-style cylinder resists picking and drilling. The reinforced sleeve protects against attacks. The 4-foot length allows securing frame and wheels. The weight at 15 pounds is substantial but necessary for security. The included mount bolts to your bike. The key system allows multiple locks using same key. Motorcycle theft is rampant in cities. Cable locks get cut in seconds. This chain requires serious tools and time-deterring opportunistic thieves. The weight is annoying, but stolen bikes are worse. Number 10. The Quad Lock Phone Mount System. This mounting system holds phones rock solid through anything. The twist lock mechanism is secure, yet releases instantly. The case protects phones from drops and weather. The vibration dampening prevents camera damage from engine vibrations. The charging options keep phones powered on long rides. The rotation allows landscape or portrait mounting. The universal adapters fit almost any phone. Cheap mounts fail catastrophically. This system is bomber. The vibration dampening matters more than people realize. Phone cameras have stabilization systems that engine vibrations destroy. This mount protects expensive phones from mechanical damage. Number 9. The Sena 50S Mesh Intercom. This premium communication system uses mesh technology, allowing up to 24 riders communicating simultaneously. The range extends to 5 miles in open terrain. The mesh network automatically reconnects if someone drops out. The Harman Kardon speakers deliver concert-quality audio. The voice commands control everything hands-free. The sound by Harman Kardon actually matters. The audio quality destroys cheaper systems. The battery lasts 13 hours of talk time. The weatherproofing handles anything nature throws at it. The smartphone app allows firmware updates and customization. The price at around $400 is premium, but the features justify it. Group rides become coordinated operations. The mesh technology solves the problem of traditional Bluetooth dropping connections constantly. Number 8. The SW-Motech Quick Lock Tank Bag. This tank bag mounts and removes in seconds using innovative locking system. The expandable design goes from 5 to 9 liters. The clear map pocket on top allows navigation without electronics. The rain cover deploys quickly, protecting contents. The shoulder strap converts it to carry bag off the bike. The stable mounting prevents shifting during aggressive riding. The quick release means taking valuables with you takes seconds. The expandability handles varying cargo needs. The traditional map pocket matters when phone batteries die or GPS fails. This bag represents practical touring solutions without permanent modifications. Number 7. The Cardo Packtalk Bold. This communication system offers premium features at mid-range pricing. The natural voice operation allows full control without touching anything. The JBL speakers provide excellent audio quality. The dynamic mesh network connects up to 15 riders. The range extends to 5 miles. The sound profiles automatically adjust to speed. The waterproofing is IP67 rated. The magnetic charging is convenient. The battery lasts 13 hours. The natural voice commands actually work unlike some competitors. The JBL audio is legitimately good. The mesh networking is reliable. This system delivers flagship features without flagship pricing. Number 6. The Ram X Grip Universal Mount. This simple mounting solution holds phones, tablets, or GPS units securely. The spring-loaded cradle fits devices of varying sizes. The ball mount allows infinite positioning angles. The rubber coating protects devices from scratches. The tether prevents loss if the mount fails. The versatility means one mount handles multiple devices. The simplicity means nothing electronic to fail. The reliability is proven through millions sold. This represents the KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. No batteries, no charging, no apps. Just a mechanical grip that works every time. Sometimes the old school solution is the best solution. Number 5. The Garmin Zumo XT GPS Navigator. This motorcycle-specific GPS provides navigation without phone dependence. The 5.5-inch glove-friendly touchscreen is readable in sunlight. The preloaded maps cover entire regions. The adventurous routing finds twisty roads automatically. The track management logs your favorite routes. The weatherproof design is IPX7 rated. The Bluetooth connectivity allows helmet communication integration. The live track sharing shows friends your location. The tire pressure monitoring connects to TPMS sensors. Dedicated GPS units don't need cellular service. The batteries last longer. The screens are bigger. The glove operation actually works. This Navigator represents reliability when electronics usually fail. Number 4. The GoPro Hero 12. Black This action camera captures rides in stunning 5.3K video. The horizon leveling keeps footage stable regardless of bike angle. The voice control allows hands-free operation. The waterproofing handles rain and washing. The image stabilization is phenomenal. The night modes capture usable footage in darkness. The time warp feature creates hyperlapse videos. The live streaming shares rides in real time. The massive accessory ecosystem provides mounting solutions for anywhere. The insurance value alone justifies the cost. The social media content creation is bonus. This camera documents adventures, proving you actually did that crazy thing you're telling stories about. Number 3. The Dainese Smart Jacket Airbag System. This wearable airbag deploys in milliseconds, protecting your torso in crashes. The sensors detect impacts in 40 milliseconds. The airbag inflates in 45 milliseconds. The protection covers chest, back, shoulders, and neck. The shield lasts multiple deployments after replacement. The fit works over or under jackets. The battery lasts 30 hours. The smartphone app tracks rides and battery status. This technology went from MotoGP to street riders. The protection level exceeds any traditional armor. The deployment is so fast you're protected before you realize you're crashing. This represents the bleeding edge of rider safety technology. Number 2. The Michelin Road 6 tires. These tires deliver grip in all conditions, especially wet weather. The XST Evo siping technology channels water efficiently. The tread pattern provides progressive wear-maintaining performance. The compound offers longevity without sacrificing grip. The construction allows high-speed stability. The rain performance is genuinely impressive. The mileage ratings exceed competitors. Cheap tires kill people. These tires provide confidence in rain that sketchy tires never could. The progressive wear means performance doesn't cliff as they age. The investment in quality rubber pays dividends in safety and enjoyment. Number 1. The Oxford Aquatex motorcycle cover. This simple cover takes the top spot because it protects your investment from the biggest threat, weather. The waterproof material keeps bikes dry in downpours. The heat-resistant panels protect against exhaust pipes. The soft lining prevents paint scratches. The elastic hem keeps wind from blowing it off. The cable pass-through allows locking. The storage bag makes transport easy. Sun fades paint and cracks seats. Rain causes rust. Snow damages plastics. Covers prevent all of it. The return on investment is massive. $40 protecting a $15,000 bike is the easiest decision ever. The bikes that live outside need covers. Even garage bikes benefit from dust protection. This represents basic maintenance that most riders neglect until damage is done.